Hello mga kamat! Ang video natin ngayon ay tungkol sa writing an equation of a line given a slope and a point. So, tara, simulan na natin. So, ito yung problem natin. No? Write the equation of the line given the slope -2/5 and point 3 negative. So, point slope form ang ating gagawin natin. So, ayan. Just make sure lang na tama yung pag-substitute ng mga value for y sub 1 for the slope and x sub 1. Yan, na-substitute na natin ng ayos. So, negative times negative 2 is positive 2. And sa kabila is negative times 3 is negative. Pero we need to remove the denominator. Kaya, i-multiply natin sila sa 5. Yan. 5 times y is, of course, 5y. 5 times 2 is 10. And 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. Divide sa 5 is negative 4. And i-bring down lang natin yung x minus 3. So, next step dyan, ay i-distribute na natin yung negative 4. So, negative 4 times x, negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 1. So, transposition method. So, yung negative 4x, magiging positive 4x at i-bring down to 5y. And yung 10, magiging negative 10. And ayan, meron na tayong standard form. So, tandaan lang, pag nagsusulat ng equation of the line ng given ay slope point, point slope form yung ating gagamitin. Let's take note, kailangan tama yung pag-substitute.